This is really cool at night.
응.
The lights are more dim. You got these little candles up here. What are we going to do for dinner for Emerson tonight? Do you have an intention, or we just look at what we have and we can do something?
I already told you today, right?
Okay.
The dubu things. Dubu steak.
Oh, you want to do the dubu steak for dinner tonight?
Yeah, this is
Oh,
not
okay.
that.
I didn't realize
not
we
that
had all the stuff for
difficult.
it. Okay.
Not
Yeah.
that difficult too, and then we have a dubu too. We have a cheese too. So I think that is what last night I looking up and what is your for dinner, because you have to decide first, so you are not worried about it.
Of course. All right.
So it was like yeah.
You feed me the little soup you make, and it's like, here you go, and then he dump it out in the sink and then wash it in the.
He's a sink or our?
No, his sink, his little. Grapefruit.
Smell like a Thailand. Yeah.
Go. You're fine. It's gonna be hard to split in half usually.
Don't eat cold things, okay?
Eat it all. I got it.
Where is it? This is not actually that.
Bad Thai.
I know it's
Yeah.
look like the pictures. Pictures more like a soap.
Perfect.
Like
Wrapped around, right? Yeah. I bet it's still good. Sauce is good. Super secret pad Thai. Let's see. Already. There are definitely some similarities. It's a little spicier than what I typically get, but I like it.
So good.
Souffle?
So yes, souffle. Go. Souffle, go.
Coffee and souffle.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
You can go inside.
Outrageous.
Wow. Why we can eat everything?
That's so much.
Don't look at the camera. Because I did so many times, I caught that all things. Yeah, it's weird. You're looking at it. It's gone almost. 조심해. Everyone's be careful. Thank you.
You want the ball? Emerson. yellow. 엄마, look 엄마.
오 조심해 조심해. 이제 집에 가자. 바이바이. 바이바이. 응 바이바이.